Hello everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today we're going to make Mirza Ghasemi, which is a very delicious meal. The first thing we do, we have some fresh eggplants, we wash them and we put them on the barbecue and we let the skin get burnt with the flames. And then next, we have the eggplants on the barbecue, we let the skin burn on one side and then we turn it over and then we close the lid, let it completely and thoroughly cook together. Our eggplants and our tomatoes are roasted on the barbecue. We let them cool down for about 10 minutes. While that's cooling down, we're going to fry a handful of chopped garlic with extra virgin olive oil, and I think that's already cooled down. I'm going to remove the skin, chop it, add it to the garlic. Okay, now I am going to remove the skin from the eggplants. I have removed the skin from one of the eggplants. I'm gradually chopping it like this, and I'm going to add it to the frying garlic. And you know, my best friend is the chef's bowl, and I can put the skins there as I go along so I don't have to make a mess. I'm adding the eggplants to the roasting garlic, one at a time. Of course, I have washed the eggplants before I roast them, so they're completely clean. And if you get a random, burnt skin in your eggplant, it's perfectly fine. It's just a part of it. I'm mixing up the eggplants and the fried garlic together. I let it fry a little bit more. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes, salt, pepper, and turmeric. This is the beautiful tomatoes we have. We just remove the skin and we're going to chop them roughly and add them to the eggplants. I remove the skin from the tomatoes that come off really easily, and I chop them and then add them to the tomatoes. I add the tomatoes to the eggplant and garlic. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Maybe a little bit more. Of course, this is totally depending up to you how salty or peppery you like it to be. And then you mix it all together and put it on low temperature Let it cook thoroughly, and then we come back to it. Now you see it's sizzling, it looks beautiful. I'm going to add a lid to this and let it cook on a lower temperature for about 20 minutes. Our eggplant is completely cooked, and the last thing is we're going to add egg. For 2 people you need 2 eggs. If you have 3 people you can have 3 eggs. In the method of sunny side up, and let it completely cook together, and our dinner will be ready very soon. Perfect, our dinner is ready. Now it's time to plate. We take the lid off, and here we go. Just take a look at it. You can put it just like this on the table, or if you like, you can just plate it, and you start putting it on the plate from the sides because you want to have the eggs in perfect shape. It smells so amazing. You know, this food belongs to the province of Gilan, which is very close to the Caspian Sea. And when you cook this meal, it reminds you of perfect holidays that we had in the old times in Iran. Every time we went for vacation to the Caspian Sea, this was actually one of the favorite meals of everyone. So if you have a friend or a spouse or someone that you know is very dear to you, once you cook this meal for them, they're just going to remember all the good memories of Iran and the vacation times. During summer, we had a wonderful time back then, and everything was so beautiful when everything was good back then. You know what I mean. So I hope you enjoy this food, and it looks beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Our dinner is ready to serve. This is our Mirza Ghasemi, which is very delicious. It's a vegan food. If you don't add the eggs to it, it's a vegetarian food. And we normally eat it with the flatbread and sabzi khordan, which is the combination of radish, green onion, different herbs like mint, basil. I hope you enjoy it. This is a wonderful meal, and I thank you so much for following me on YouTube and asking me to add more videos. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit and Nusha Jan. I love you all. Till next time.